Hello, welcome to another episode of Clusterfukgarage, where we're going to be removing the power steering rack from my M35 Stagea. I've gotten pretty much some of the bolts. I've gotten all the lines off already, and some bolts, drained all the power steering fluid. Some of the bolts are loose already. Just prep that up for you guys, so I guess this would be a really long video because it was a pain in the ass. It's also a challenge that I have to do is take the power steering rack without taking the front wheels off, so thanks for that challenge. It has been really annoying. So hoping I can take a decent get all the recordings without me holding the GoPro the whole time. So it's two bolts that I have to remove, which are these two here, and then obviously take the rack from the suspension arms, which has been interesting. It's been annoying, but it is what it is. So I'll try and find somewhere where I can put the GoPro and yeah, I'll go from there. Of course. as you can see down here, that's the new rack that's going in, and then the turbo next to it, that's what's going in after that. So it'll be a bit of fun. Yeah, sorry about the did a bit of confusion with the GoPro. Thought I had that recording, but apparently I didn't. Of taking out the steering rack. But yeah, be able to watch me. Well, I'll put up a video of me putting the new steering rack in, which should be a lot of fun. Not really. No, it was pretty easy. But and then after that, the old turbo comes out because it can't be rebuilt, and we put the new turbo in, which I think might be a parts series because it takes a long time to do. But yeah, well, thanks guys for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and like Clusterfukgarage.